All right, second video of the day. It's first Saturday of April. It's afternoon, we're wrapping things up. And so I just finished installing this new bench that we had laying around waiting to be put in on hole 10. So at this point, my goal and my job today basically was something I've always wanted on this course and something we've kept pretty much, is I wanted 4 seats on every hole tee box, going back to the traditional white course. White birch had a hole where there's, I think it was hole 10, where a bunch of people sat around and just gathered and sat down and chilled a little bit. That, when we built this, I really wanted 4 seats here because of white birch having seats on some of the holes. So anyway, that was my job today. And we've done an amazing amount of work on 16. So what I'm going to do, I'm on hole 10. You can kind of see it carved into that stump. I'm hole 10. This one's ready to go. I'm going to take a, well, actually I'm going to see if that route is even open right now. I'm going to take a video. So most of this video won't be talking. The main purpose of this, well, there's 2 purposes: the disc golf course and the tractor. Of course, the tractor has run flawlessly all day, literally 0 problems. I did blow out a tire today because we're working in really heavy wooded stuff and new trees that have fell, new cut wood. It pumped right back up, but the tractor has been flawless all day, and I'm sorry I don't really have a whole lot of footage of it actually working. But what we're going to do is we're going to hop on and we're going to take a ride back to basically where we started at today, was hole 16. And we'll see what they've got going on there. They should be putting in the tee box and laying the concrete while I was building this bench, and then we're probably going to clean up and finish for today. So if you don't want to watch this, that's fine. But we're going to take about a 5-minute ride on the tractor. Started right up again. Been doing that all day long, so we're gonna take a ride. This is cleaned up, that's good. Got a shortcut. I wanted to do this where I watched the tractor drive by itself. I did a video about 10 years ago when we were originally building the course, and I had a John Deere 100 with a 20 horsepower on it. And this is just kind of in memory of that. We're doing a whole lot of work out here, so just letting it run. I'll be hopping back on. Box on 9. See ya. Local player Gary. All right, coming up to 16. There's a pavilion damaged. We actually ate lunch there today. Alright, this is a new hole 16, same hole. We got rid of a big tree up here. The green is really open. Going on.
We're short on concrete.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna be short one bag. I got two and we need three.
Somewhere too.
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah.
It is what it is.
Yep.
Is this your disc?
That's all we need.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
No, I mean really, it needs to be.
Oh, it is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be 12 by 12. I told you.
Said no woman ever.
That's funny. All right, I'm going to sign out before this gets dirty.
Yeah, you should.
All right, we're going to clean up. All right, we were working like a well-oiled machine today. It brought back a lot of memories. Like when we were building this course, we were just kicking butt out here. Today was one of the best days we've had productive-wise. And this is the new hole 16. All right, I'm going to sign out.